In a forgotten corner of an old house, there sat a doll with no eyes, its porcelain face cracked and pale, surrounded by memories long buried in dust. The little girl who once loved it had grown up and left, but the doll remained yearning for companionship and the warmth of laughter that had faded away. One rainy afternoon, a curious girl named Lily ventured into the attic where she stumbled upon the forgotten doll, feeling an inexplicable pull towards its hollow gaze. Though the doll had no eyes, Lily sensed a story behind its silence and decided to bring it back to life with her love and imagination. In her bedroom filled with creativity, Lily began to weave tales for the doll, bringing it to life in her mind, and together they embarked on magical adventures that filled her days with joy. Little did she know the doll reciprocated her love in its own mysterious way, silently observing her world with a longing that ran deeper than any pair of eyes could see.